Okay. Hello. Here's Ryder. Here's Ryder. Hi, Ryder. Hello. 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 There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. All right. Okay. Want to sit here for a second? You don't? Do you want to sit here for a second? Good boy. Alright, so I had a bird in the video. I have a bird in the video. Is a bird Sky? Let's go see what she's doing. Wait, where are you? Sky? Whoa! Oh my god. What are you doing? What are you doing in here? Why do you always find the yuckiest things? Hey? Oh, it's a good little nest, isn't it? Oh, it's a good little nest. Yeah? Oh, I'm going to have to clean that now. Come with me. Come with me, darling. Come on. Are you staying? Ugh, yuck. Yuck, yuck, yuck. Hang on. Let me see if I've got something to clean that up with. Ugh. I'm going to open the door. Don't freak out. Excuse me. Hi. Let me just wipe away the dust. Let me just... Oh, she's not happy. Oh. I can't. I'm scared. Watch out. Move. Okay. It's clean. Watch out, don't let the door slam on you. Watch out. The door's coming. Move over. It's closing on you. Yeah, watch out. Okay, that's as far as it goes. All right, you... That's terrible. Yuck. Come here. Step up. Yuck. Step up. Oh, yucky dust. Come here. Step up. Good girl. Okay. So I haven't even started the video yet. I haven't even started. Where's your brother? Oh, he's still sitting here. You can't move because you can't fly. Are you trapped here, buddy? Okay, you get down. You come with me. You play up here. Scamp, what are you up to? Got your nest? Yep, going on like day 4 or 5 now. Playing with that nest. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So, oh, that's nice. We'll have you in the background, Scampy. Nice. Okay, so what I usually do is, you'll have to look at one of my previous videos with the balsa wood chunks that I got, the big chunks of balsa wood. I know, at first I was buying tiny little thin bricks of balsa wood for, I don't know, 50 cents each. Then I got these bigger blocks for $1 each. Then I called up the hardware store to see if they had balsa wood that's untreated. I called up the manufacturer, the supplier, to see if they treat their balsa wood with any chemicals, pesticides, for termites or anything like that. And he's gone. And they said no, it's not treated with anything. It is plantation grown, cut, and kiln dried. So yeah, like an oven, I guess, to dry it out. There's no chemicals used in their balsa wood. So I got this giant piece for $11. So that's going to save me a lot of money in bird toys because they rip through balsa wood. I've already cut a corner off. Got my little, I'm doing triangles this time. They usually get squares or rectangles or blocks. I'm going to do a few triangles. Yeah. So, and I always test it to see how it goes before I make a video. Even though fails are a good thing to watch because then you learn from your mistakes. So I'm just cutting off. This is a metal saw. Yes, I know it's for metal, but this is very soft wood and it's easy to cut. I'm doing it over the rug. Mum's going to kill me. But I got a new vacuum cleaner for my birthday in the back there. So at least it'll be getting its money's worth. Nice. So I was looking for electric saws because this is going to take all day. But yeah, I'll just do a whole bunch of little blocks, different shapes and sizes. Put some holes in it. Where's my little drill here? Put some holes in it, tie it with some strings. What's wrong with my drill here? Whoa, wait. Stop. I'm going to switch that off. There we go. Drill bit. Yeah, it's not really long enough, but I'm not even sure where I want to put the holes. Do I want to hang them from here? Put a bunch of them together? Yeah, I might do that. I mean, really, I could just poke a hole in them with something. I'll just put some beginner holes in it. And also in one of my previous videos, I was dyeing balsa wood with beetroot juice. That worked out really well. Spinach, not so much. Also tried turmeric powder, but that didn't work either. Maybe it needs to be proper, fresh turmeric root to dye it with. But then again, I don't know how much turmeric the birds can actually have. Yeah. So I'll just cut a couple more. We'll give them to the birds, see what they think of it. I also got new blades for this saw. It says they're steel. I'm not sure if they've got any coatings either. So you want to make sure it's not a rusty blade. I don't like zinc coatings or anything like that, but it didn't say that it had any coating on it. It does look like a weird colour to it. Kind of looks burnt, so I don't know. Yeah. That's an odd shape. But it doesn't really matter. As long as it's different to what they always get, right? So that's enough blocks to make a toy. A toy that's probably worth $5 or $10. And I'll use seagrass rope or twine to put it together, so that way there's no ropes, no metals, no crazy plastics, no unsafe dyes, paints. Alright, let's go give them one. I have a feeling I know what Scamp's going to do. Oh wait, he's not even there. Okay, everyone's in the trees. You taking a break, mate? Buddy? Hi, Sita. Would you like to have a go? Do you want to chew on it? You want to have a go? Everyone's coming over. Okay. Ryder. There you go. Good boy. Do you want to take the whole thing? Off you go. She doesn't like it. Alright, Scampy. Or relax. Yeah, you don't like holding things with your feet. Look at that. That's almost aggression, really. Yeah, good stuff, mate. Sky. You're my little sweetheart. Hello, sorry. Sorry to bother you. Would you like to chew on this? You don't. Ouch. Why are you pinching me? What's your problem? Do you want to come here and play with it? Why jump me and then bite me, mate? He's not happy. You don't like chewing on weights? There you go. Good girl. Alright, so it works. They like to chew it. Yeah, I got enough balsa wood to keep him busy for ages. Oh, bastard. Sorry. He bites hard. He bites really hard. Did you want to... Okay, you take the whole thing. Good girl. Good girl, Sky. Where's the rest of my bits? Scamp, you're going to have to get off me because that's really freaking me out. Good job. Good job. Wait. Wait. Ouch. No biting. Gentle. Gentle. That's better. He does know what that means. He does say it. He does say gentle, gentle. Whoops, sorry. I'm trying to get you in the shot and it's just not working. Where are you? I don't know why I always have it on selfie mode. Oh. Oh. Okay. Bubs, you want to try again, mate? Good girl. Good girl, Sita. Yeah. Good job. There's a little bit of black residue. Sorry. A little bit of black residue. I hope that's probably from the saw. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. I actually should have wiped the blade before I put it on there. Maybe scrubbed it with some vinegar, just in case there is a zinc coating. Oh my gosh, you guys. He's still working on his. She's still working on his. Oh, I don't even need to put him on a toy. I just give him a chunk whenever they're bored, right? You can see Sita's still playing with hers. Holy dooly. Are you hungry? Are you just eating? I'll leave this one here for you. Okay. They are loving it. Good job, everyone. And it's, yeah, it's soft enough to hide sunflower seeds in, so I'll show you a demonstration of that. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. So I'll get my little stash. No one's watching. No one's watching, right? And see if I can so I already kind of pre-drilled a little hole in here. Yeah, I might have to drill some extra holes. But yeah. If you can wedge some seeds into it. Whoa. And that'll encourage them to chew on it and play with it. Once they get the seed out, they might keep chewing on it to see if there's any more inside. Maybe I should choose a smaller seed. And eventually, chewing the wood becomes fun in itself. They eventually realize, hey, chewing the wood's great fun. You know what? I should give that to Scamp since he's not playing with anything. Come with me. You want to step up? Good boy. And don't let anyone else see, because if they find it, yeah, look. Great. Oh. That was too easy. That was too easy. A little bit too easy for her. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, that's enough wood to keep him busy for a while. Ryder has completely ripped his to shreds. That's the rest of it here, and the rest is on the floor. Sky is still working on hers. That is so freaking cute. She's just too cute. Oh my goodness, Sky. I love you so much. You're so precious. Barbie's still working on hers. Yeah, I don't know. Her beak might be a bit smaller than everyone else's, but she's just not as strong. I mean, she bites hard. I don't know why it takes so longer to break through pieces of wood. You okay? Good job, everyone. So yes, I've shown these videos many times before. No, that's not yours, mate. Come up top. I think he's trying to get Sky's. Oh. Oh, terrible. Yes, I'm always showing you about balsa wood and different woods and this and that, but that's probably the best, safest thing for them to play with. I don't know what else to say. Look at these guys. Don't let him take it. Don't let him take it, sweetie. It's all yours. But yeah, that's the safest stuff to play with, and everyone says their bird doesn't play with toys. They don't mind that, but it's good to get them playing, right? Yeah, so we'll hook all that up in everyone's papers. Are you finished? Good job, sweetie. Good job. Oh, you dropped it in some poop there. Sorry. Good job, Bubs. Okay, you want to say goodbye to everyone? You don't talk. Don't climb. Don't climb. You don't want them on your shoulder. If they climb up to your shoulder all the time, every time, and that's all they want, like you see them sitting on your hand and all they care about is, how do I get up there? How do I get up there? You don't want that. You've got to try and train them out of that. Keep bringing them down. Step up, Bubs. If they don't step up straight away either, that's a problem. So until they learn that they're only allowed up there if they're being special. Oh, you're snuggling up to me because you don't want to come down. Step up, Bubs. Step up. Step up and I'll give you a treat. Oh, nearly. Alright. You want to know how to... Oh, I was going to say, do you want to know how to get them down? That's okay. Good job, guys. Grab one. Just one. You grab one for being a good girl. Scamp. Disappointed. Disappointed in your efforts on the wood. But you've been busy on your nest all day, so that's fine. Alright, everyone. Say goodbye. Oh my gosh, they just want more treats. They just want more treats. I'm sorry. Alright, say bye.